Exciting announcement. BUMS new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the BUMS airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. BUMS airdrop listing date, important updates and tasks, new farming extension, price prediction. BUMS airdrop, latest update on listing date. The BUMS airdrop team has recently shared some important updates regarding the upcoming token listing. According to their announcement, the farming phase will soon come to an end. Once it concludes, an official snapshot will be taken to record all participants' BUMS medals. These medals can then be converted into actual BUMS tokens. Full details on the medal-to-token conversion will be provided as the listing date approaches. Farming period extended, more time to earn. In a major update, the BUMS team has extended the farming period by 20 more days. This extension allows participants to continue earning medals and accumulating points. With the listing still pending, this gives users a valuable opportunity to maximize their engagement and increase their potential rewards. Airdrop eligibility, important tasks to complete. To qualify for the BUMS airdrop, users must fulfill certain eligibility requirements. These include completing a set of mandatory tasks, some of which may require a small token fee. The team has also introduced an airdrop calculator, allowing users to estimate their rewards based on task completion and participation levels. This approach ensures a fair and transparent distribution of tokens. BUMS token price prediction. Can it follow Memify's success? Looking ahead, the price performance of similar Telegram-based projects can offer insight. Memify, for example, launched in November 2024 with a 10 billion token supply. It debuted at a price of $0.005, surged to an all-time high of $0.012, and recently saw a 251% increase. Memify is currently trading at $0.002504, with a market capitalization of $25.04 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $202 million. Given the similarities in community focus and tokenomics, BUMS may follow a similar trajectory. With 8.7 million Telegram members, 692.6 thousand Twitter followers, and 3 million monthly active users, BUMS has already built a strong user base. Additionally, 45% of the total token supply is allocated for airdrops and community rewards, emphasizing the project's decentralized and inclusive strategy. Estimated listing price for BUMS token. Considering the 10 billion token supply and community-first model, the expected listing price for BUMS could fall between $0.002 and $0.010. If BUMS mirrors the growth of Memify, we could see a notable price increase post-listing. A listing on major exchanges, such as Binance Futures, could further enhance visibility and investor confidence, potentially driving prices even higher. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and on the BUMS in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching, *.